안녕! Today I'm going to make tteokbokki. It's very famous Korean street food. Did you know that the original tteokbokki was not spicy? According to the studies, the first record on tteokbokki appears in 시전서, a 19th century cookbook. The royal court version was soy sauce-based tteokbokki and is made from soy sauce, rice cake, sirloin, sesame oil, and etc. We call it 궁중 tteokbokki, the royal court tteokbokki. It is believed that spicy red tteokbokki with gochujang-based sauce first appeared in 1950s. When Ma Bong-rim participated at the opening of a Chinese restaurant, she dropped the rice cake into spicy sauce accidentally, and she ate it and she found that it was delicious. After that, she started to sell it and it became a tteokbokki these days. Tteokbokki has various versions like jajang tteokbokki, cream tteokbokki, seafood tteokbokki. And each restaurant has different tastes, even its same spicy tteokbokki. That means there is no right answer to make tteokbokki. So don't be hesitate and just create your own. I'm going to show you a typical way, so feel free to adjust ingredients whatever you want. Let's set the table. You will need 2 cups of cylinder-shaped rice cake, 300 ml, 10 ounces of water, 2 sheets of fish cake, hard-boiled egg, 1 tablespoon red pepper paste, 1 tablespoon red pepper powder, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoons sugar, half teaspoon ground black pepper, and 1 teaspoon toasted sesame seeds. Just remember the ratio. Red pepper paste 1, red pepper powder 1, soy sauce 1, sugar 2. First, rinse the rice cake and drain. During the time, cut the fish cake into bite size. In a saucepan, add water and rice cake. Bring the saucepan to medium heat, and then add sugar. The reason why I put sugar first is sweetness absorbs faster than salty taste. When it boils, add 1 tablespoon red pepper paste, 1 tablespoon red pepper powder, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and half teaspoon ground black pepper and mix well. Put fish cake and stir occasionally with a wooden spoon. And then put a boiled egg and coat the egg with sauce. Simmer for 10 more minutes at a low heat. It makes sauce absorb into all of the ingredients. Continue cooking until sauce thickens. It's done! Move them to plate and sprinkle the sesame seeds. 잘 먹겠습니다. The best part is the combination of the yolk and sauce. The sauce makes the yolk soft and more delicious. I like the spicy and sweet taste of tteokbokki, and chewy texture gives me an appetite. Today, I made a tteokbokki. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And you can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.